says, Allie, alligator. Baba bear. Katina cat. Deer. Allie elephant. Francie fish. Gordo gorilla. Honey horse. Come on your page. Oh. I says in the interim. Jerry jellyfish. K cat. Yo kangaroo.
Good, buddy.
Break the screen. L says O. L. I forgot.
No, you didn't.
Wait. Lizzie lizard. Oh.
Good. Next.
Oh. I'm gonna eat a fly.
Yep, that's what they do.
M says Misty Mouse. I'm gonna eat you.
Cute. Take it.
N says Nigel Night Owl. I'm gonna watch you.
Good. Yes, very smart.
Olive octopus.
Ollie or olive?
I don't know.
Yeah, olive, you're right. Sorry. Good.
Pee-wee penguin.
Good.
I'm gonna beep.
Keep going. Yep. What's this one?
Queenie quill.
Good.
I'm gonna flick you away.
Good, buddy.
Robbie rabbit. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna do it that for you.
Okay, good. We're almost there.
I
We'll do
know.
the side commentary after.
S says, I forgot all this.
Yeah.
Sammy snake. Wait.
Good. Ooh, this is one's my favorite.
Timothy tiger.
Good.
Umber.
I just wanted to see his picture.
Umbrella bird.
Good.
Vincent vampire rat.
That's my favorite.
I'm gonna eat you.
Okay, good.
Hey, Vincent vampire is my favorite too. I like all of them. Willie weasel.
Ooh, weasel. Good.
Xavier fox. I'm gonna net you.
Good, buddy.
Y says you. I'm gonna call you.
Good.
Ding ding ding. I'm gonna sleep on you.
What's his name though? Yancy.
Yak. Yeah.
Good. I like that. Song.
Okay. Oh.
Last one.
Zebra. Oh, I'm gonna sleep on you.
Good job.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Zeke Zebra. Good job. And look at a lot of these go along with our Tubby Wubbies that we've sewn, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't that wild?
Yeah, but